Welcome to Gruene Historic District. Who would have thought that a small but lively cotton town from the mid-1800s would find new life as a major Texas tourism destination, drawing visitors from all around the world. With an eclectic array of Americana entertainment, unforgettable food, and countrified shopping, Gruene sets the standard for a true Texas experience. Take a break from shopping with a lemonade from the general store, or enjoy a tasty meal at any of the rustic, one-of-a-kind restaurants. And don't forget to finish a memorable night with a cold beer and live music at the oldest continually operating and most famous dance hall in Texas, Gruene Hall. With so much to see and experience, it's hard to believe that Gruene was once a forgotten ghost town, especially with the cool and inviting waters of the Guadalupe River hugging its western banks. These are just a few reasons why Gruene Historic District draws hundreds of thousands of visitors each year. What makes this destination so special is more than just the signs found on the buildings, the items on their shelves, or treats on their menus. These buildings hold stories that span across generations, each one as unique as the venues that now call them home. Although their walls can't talk, thanks to the New Braunfels Convention and Visitors Bureau, they don't need to. Join us on the Gruene Historic Tour as we share the history and folklore of these iconic structures. Follow the map on the kiosk or on your brochure to locate each of the buildings on the tour. You can access the video connected with each site by finding a QR code that looks like this. A QR code, or quick response code, is a small, square, machine-readable optical label that contains information about the item to which it is attached. It's a lot like a barcode. This code can be found at the kiosk, on the brochure, or in front of each building. Using a smartphone or tablet, download a free QR code app, open the app, and scan the small square code. The app will then direct you to the video link. You can also visit the Convention and Visitors Bureau's website, innewbraunfels.com, to view the videos online. So no matter where you're from or how long you plan on staying, let the charm of this historic district and its famous landmarks take you on a journey where you'll find more good times than you can handle.